Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. It is time for the latest and the most comprehensive breakdown of the biggest news stories in Western Visayas here in Panay News Tonight. As COVID-19 rages in Iloilo City, a pattern seems emerging. Does the virus spread easier among people living under the same roof? According to Iloilo City COVID-19 team spokesperson Jack Conlu, one of the keys to stop or at least slow down the spread of the viral disease is to practice minimum standards at home, such as social distancing, wearing of face masks and face shields, and hand washing. It was announced yesterday that a resident of Haro district had been diagnosed with COVID-19. It's unclear how the man in his 30s caught the virus, but within days, 6 new cases directly connected to him had been diagnosed. Dr. Roland J. Fortuna of the City Health Office, meanwhile, pushed for early medical consultation at health centers if people do not feel well. Fortuna said RT-PCR testing is provided for free by the city government. The Sandigan Bayan found former Iloilo Provincial Administrator Manuel Mejorada and former General Services Office head Rami Salcedo guilty of graft for an overpriced laptop purchase during the administration of then-Governor Neil Tupa Sr. In a decision dated October 2, 2020, the anti-graft court sentenced the duo to a maximum of 8 years in prison and perpetually disqualified them from holding public office. Mejorada, Salcedo, and 4 other provincial capital officials were accused of violating the Anti-Graft and Corrupt Practices Act over the laptop purchase in 2008. The Ombudsman's Field Investigation Office initiated complaint alleged that the respondents gave unwarranted benefits, preference, or undue advantage to supplier 77 Trading owned by Cristina Te. According to then State Auditor Heidi Pasuelo, the request order was for an Acer Aspire laptop worth 99,000 pesos, but what was delivered was an Acer TravelMate that cost only 59,000 pesos. There was an overprice of 39,100 pesos according to the FIO. FIO added that a further check showed that 77 Trading mainly dealt with Computer Inc., not laptop computers. An extension campus of the University of the Philippines Visayas will soon rise in Barangay Naoring, Pandan, Antique. Mayor Plaridel Sanchez VI said on Monday he expects that many students from his municipality would be able to obtain UP education following the establishment of the new campus. The presence of students coming from other places could also beef up the town's economy because learners would be needing lodging houses and dormitories along with restaurants, he added. According to the mayor, they expect the extension campus to open by next year. Sanchez said the campus is situated on a donated 500 square meter lot. The groundbreaking ceremony of the campus was held on October 4. And those were tonight's latest headlines. This is Panay News, the #1 digital and printed news in the region. Don't forget to always wear your face masks and face shields, sanitize your hands, and observe proper physical distancing. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. Stay safe, Western Visayas. See you again tomorrow evening.